Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Coming to you from inside the 1973 Volkswagen Thing. We've had a really good day figuring out a lot of things. We're getting pretty close here on the wiring. We're like, for real, we're close. Let me show you what we got, what we ran into, what we found. Kind of go down that road. We'll go from there. So, for starters, you guys know my tail lights and deck lid light were constantly on, right? As long as the battery was hooked up, they were on. So what that turned out to be is right here, you have a gray and black and a gray and red. I had the gray and red, these are the hot wires to the tail lights, okay? I had the gray and red plugged in there. For the life of me, I can't tell you why. Right here. So, yeah. Move that over, and now I have the tail lights and deck light work as they should. They're off. If I turn the headlights on, they're on. Parking lights, they're on. I turn them off, they go off. So that's fantastic. So that's a huge win. The next thing was the low beam headlights. We'll go over that in a minute. I'll show you what I found there. Then the next step in this progression was the gauge cluster, right? And I had some things wired in wrong places and this, that, and the other. I put some better grounds in back here to the cluster itself and to the relay switch. Just trying to make it better. But I believe I have everything wired correctly now, which is really good. So the only problem I have, and it really, I keep coming back to this. This is my problem. See the hazards are flashing, turn signal lights. The blue and red on 49A are always hot. Coming over here. So that's not helpful. I may have burnt something up in here. It's possible. It is grounded right. It is wired correctly per the Thing shop. It is wired correctly here. It is wired correctly at the relay switch or the emergency flasher switch. So yeah, I'm gonna order another relay and see where that goes. Now, what we do have, turn the headlights on here. If you look at the gauge cluster here, let's see if I can't make this work for half a second. Stay. See the high beam light, low beam, high beam, low beam. We're good there. Yeah. So there's just things we're working out. I think a lot of my problem right now is this guy right here, my emergency flasher relay. I just need to deal with that. So let me show you, let me get out of this car, hold on. It's not easy. Yes, some wind sucks. All right. Okay. Headlights are on. You can see them. This headlight's not in, but we have parking lights. Let's do driver's side turn signal. Went in. And then back here, driver's side turn signal. So we got that. Got deck lid lights, got tail lights, all the things. Passenger turn signal. It's weak. I have a ground issue over there, but it is working. Over here in the back, it's working good. I have, turn that off. We have wipers. So that's good. We have emergency flashers. Which is great. Got those going here. Got those going here. So that's a win. Okay. So from a lighting standpoint, we are having a banner day. Now, turn that off, turn this off, turn that off. Okay, so problem number 9337 is I tried to hook up my brake lights, right? My harness here is dead. It has been, somewhere in this is messed up, okay? So what I did is I went ahead and ordered a new brake light harness with that plugs into the master cylinder there and then comes through all the way to here. So I got a new one from the thing shop coming, and when it gets here we'll do that. So that's huge. But I did try. I got the brake light warning whatever whatchamahoo in over here. With the wires ran, I got them curled up over here. I didn't want to
Starting to rain, I gotta get in the car.
be right back, guys. Okay guys, sorry about that, I'm back. Had to pull the 40 in. It's
Your winters are up.
yeah, mine are up now. It's starting to rain. So anyway, that's where we got on all of that. So we have a new brake light wiring harness coming. So that'll be nice. Should be pretty roughly simple to get in, I hope. And then we'll get the brake lights working. You know, I'll figure out, I'll probably order a relay tomorrow morning, just call the thing shop and tell them to send that too. Just for 30 bucks, I'd rather just not fight it for 18 hours. If I put a new one in and it still does the same thing, okay, fine. But, and if any of you have actually had this issue, let me know what you did. That'd be great. I'd really appreciate that. But we're really close on the wiring. Big Ron worked on the bumper today. I don't know where it's at. It's in the truck.
It's on the side.
You know where?
It's over there.
Oh, it's over there. So he did the body work on that. Hoping tomorrow maybe we'll get it in primer. See what happens. And get it finished up and primed, and then we'll get that sanded down, and then hopefully we'll paint it Tuesday or Wednesday, and get it bolted on this monster, and that'll be done. Tomorrow I'm also going to order the distributor hold down, and I'm going to find some air shocks and get them ordered too, so we can get all that done. And then really guys, it's just a matter of polishing this thing out, doing a little wet sanding and buffing in a couple spots, and putting the interior back in, the cocoa mats and the teak, and yeah, should be rolling. Should be ready to sell to one of you lucky folks out there. So that's where we're at. I have to go pick up my lovely wife. I hope you guys have a great night, and we will be back in the morning with the bumper, more wiring stuff, ordering parts, and I might even get into this a little bit, the 40. So see where we get, guys. Thanks for watching.